Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go with a close-up coins game. 5 coins in this video. You let me know what the design is on them. Some of them you may think are easier than others. Some of you may be thinking, what coin is this? Now they are all UK coins, and that's all I'm going to tell you, unfortunately. Maybe a few easier ones in there. Some of them may take a quick minute or maybe even a trip to the coin collections to try and see if you can figure them out. I know this game isn't for everyone, but some of you do like it, so we'll get it up there. And again, all you need to do is comment your 5 coins in the comments below. It is on loop a few times just so you can see them. And hopefully just to maybe give you that quick minute of stop thinking about one and move on to the next if you are stuck. I'll leave a minute or so at the end of the video to get your guesses in, and we'll go through them all on Friday evening and see who managed to guess all 5 correct. Again, don't just go looking at other people's guesses in the comments. It's happened before. One time I was lucky enough to trick everyone. Will I trick you all again? Well, we'll find out on Friday. Have a blessed week. Good luck with your close-up coin guesses. Stay safe, and as always,